If you're thinking about building an automated sales funnel, but you're wondering how much it would really be able to earn and whether or not it would really be worth your time, then this is the video for you. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can calculate exactly how much money your sales funnel can earn you so that you'll know for sure whether it will be worth your time to build it. One of my favorite ways to generate passive income for my online business is to sell digital products with an automated sales funnel. So an automated sales funnel is just a system that we set up online that has a series of steps that guides people who are interested in our products or people who discover us online to learn about our products. It educates them about the product, it tells them how the product can help them, and ultimately it sells the product to them. And it does so without us having to be personally or directly involved, which means that people can go through this process and purchase our product, whether we are actively sitting in our office working or not. Sounds pretty magical, right? Kind of like a pipe dream. But here's the thing, and here's why this is not get rich quick. These sales funnels take quite a lot of work to set up. I'm talking a few months of several hours a week. But once you finish setting them up, they have the potential to earn you quite a lot of money. How much money, you ask? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you how to figure out. So we're going to just hop over here onto my computer where you can see this funnel math calculator that I've set up. So this is an automated spreadsheet where you can plug in just a few numbers from your sales funnel or about your product, and it will tell you exactly how much you'll be earning each month. So the first thing you need to do is follow the instructions that are right here on this first page to make a copy of the file so that you'll be able to edit it in your own Google Drive. Make sure you follow those instructions exactly because it's not going to work if you try to download it as an Excel or a numbers document. It does need to be in the Google Drive, Google Sheets format. So once you have a copy created in your Google Drive, then you're just going to click over here into the Funnel Math tab. By the way, this spreadsheet, this calculator here, it is completely free, and I would love to have you take it for a spin. I'm going to put the link in the description below so that you can grab a copy of it for yourself. Okay, so here we are on the second page, and all you need to do is fill in the white boxes. So for your first product, whatever that product is, and of course you can do this whether you've created the product already or not, but whatever the product is, you're going to type in the product name there. So for example, let's say your first product is called Magic Systems. Okay, then you need to type in into this next white box how many leads you're getting each month. So maybe you have some opt-ins set up in your business where people are watching your content or reading your content, listening to your podcast, something like that. Or maybe you're running ads and you are getting leads into your business that way. So whatever that number is, you just plug in that number right there. I'm going to leave it as 500 for this example. And then you're going to enter your sales funnel conversion rate if you've already set up the funnel. Okay, if you haven't set up the funnel, you can just leave this set at 10% as I have it here. This is our go to target conversion rate. This is what I consider to be like the standard for a good funnel conversion rate. We see funnels sometimes convert at even higher rates, and there are a lot of funnels out there that convert at lower rates, but this should be your goal when you are setting up an automated sales funnel. So I'm going to leave that set at 10%, and then into this next white box, you just enter your product's price. For this example, I'm going to leave it set at 500. And so you can see here that it has calculated that if you have 500 leads per month and you're converting them at 10%, you would sell 50 units a month. And if the product is $500, then that would generate $2,500 per month. You can see that here reflected in the total monthly revenue because right now we only have one product entered, and then multiplied times 12 for that total annual revenue. Now, what about if you have multiple products in your business though? Because a lot of people have another product. Maybe you have several different courses that you're selling in your business, or maybe you have a premium coaching program that you also sell, or a tripwire. So let's pretend that you have both of those. So for this one, we're going to call this Magic Systems Coaching Program. And so this is your high-end coaching program. So you don't get as many leads for this. Let's say you get 200 leads per month on that. And then let's say that your sales funnel conversion rate again is 10%. We have fewer leads, but we're going to see that same conversion rate just with a different type of sales funnel here. Now this one, being a much more expensive program, it's your premium program, it's going to have a much higher price point. So we're going to say that it is $3,000. Now this isn't $3,000 per month necessarily. We're saying that we're converting 10% of these 200 leads into a $3,000 coaching package. And for the sake of this, we're assuming that they're not renewing, but that they're just paying us $3,000 one time. But of course, maybe some of these people are renewing, which could make your units sold per month effectively higher. But if you sold just 20 units per month of your $3,000 coaching package, then that would generate $60,000 per month. And now that is being reflected in your total monthly revenue. This is the combination of all of your products. So far we've got these 2 products entered, and that would result in a total annual revenue of just a bit over $1 million. Now we're just going to scroll down to enter in one more product. Let's say you also have a tripwire. So this is Magic Systems Tripwire. Now, if you don't know what a tripwire product is, it's just a low-cost product that you can use to get people in the doors and to turn them into a paying customer, because paying customers are way more likely to go on to purchase more products from your company. So if you've ever heard the idea of a loss leader, that's when a grocery store typically advertises a product that is at such a low cost that they're actually losing money on it, but they do so to get people in the door. So for example, in any given week, you probably see those sales ads from grocery stores, and they might advertise cheddar cheese for only $2 a pound or something like that, way cheaper than other stores are offering. But the reason they do that is to get more people to come into the store. That's what a tripwire product is. So let's say you have a tripwire product, you get a lot of leads for this one. Let's say you're getting 1,000 leads a month. Again, same 10% conversion rate because that is our gold standard, but this is a much cheaper product. This product only costs $25. And so you can see here that the calculator has determined that we would sell 100 units per month, and that would result in $2,500 of revenue per month. And then if we scroll back up here, you'll see that now our total monthly revenue has bumped up to $87,500, and the total annual revenue is now $1,050,000. So just a tiny bit of business strategy here real quick. You might think, oh, it's not even worth it to sell this product, right? When it's only going to generate $2,500 a month compared to, the earning potential of the coaching program with so many fewer leads even. But a lot of the time, the reason a business will do this, again, is to get people in the door. No, we're not making much money on this upfront, but a lot of these people will be so impressed by the exceptional quality of this product that they paid so little for that they will have a lot more trust with you, and they'll go on to purchase your course or your coaching program. Like I said, I'm putting the link down below in the description so that you can grab a copy for yourself and use it in your business, whether that is to calculate the earning potential of a funnel that you have already built and you're just wondering, would it be worth it to spend more money on ads, for example, to generate more leads for this funnel? Or if it's for a funnel that you're thinking about creating, or even just a product you're thinking about creating, and you're wondering if it would really be worth your time and how much that product could really earn. After you find that link and grab your copy of the calculator, next up, watch this video right here that will teach you one word you can change throughout your funnel that is going to literally 10 times the revenue that your sales funnel can generate. Yes, really. Watch that video now.